morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss working with keyboard and mouse. Working with keyboard and mouse for class 3rd, chapter number 4, and today related this topic. What is keyboard? What is types of keyboard? Types of keyboard. My dear student, this chapter name keyboard and mouse. This is the keyboard. This is the keyboard. Today I teach in this chapter working with keyboard and mouse, but today I discuss keyboard. This is the keyboard. I hope every student clear this picture. There are three types of the keyboard. First keyboard, alphabetical keyboard. This is a QWERT by. This all keyboard are called to the alphabetical key, but this is not arranged to the alphabetical order. I again repeat, this keyboard, this is the keyboard, and this keyboard is divided into three parts. This part A, Q, W, E, R, T, the 26th letter, alphabetical letter, this is called to the alphabetical key, or called to the QWERTY, QWERTY. The first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letter involved to the this alphabetical keyboard is also called to the QWERTY keyboard. And this is the right side area. This right side area, the number pad key. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This all parts are to the number key. This all part to the number key. And the last key is a special keyboard. A special key that is control, caps lock, tab, alt, a space bar. This function key. This is the escape key, and F2, F1 to F2, F12. This is all to the function key. This all to the special function key. This is the this is the delete backspace button. This is the suppose you write down to the any letter, and but any mistake you just click to the backspace. This is the backspace key, delete button, home key, numlock key. They all type of to the special key. I hope you everywhere understand in this keyboard. I write down what is the keyboard. My dear student, this is the wireless key. This is the wireless key, and I put the any such type of data and instruction. This keyboard is also called to the input device. Why keyboard to the input device? Because I put the data. I am the input device. Every teacher is the input device, because you input the data in all over a student. You input the every such type of topic all over to the student. The all teacher are to the input devices. So thus keyboard is also called to the input devices. I hope every student understand. Why to the input devices? Because I I have entered to the data and instruction to the computer. Suppose you open to the computer and you always time so that my computer is not open. My computer is not any such type of working. My computer is not any such type of given to the typing. So computer is not automatically typing. You use to the keyboard. This is the keyboard, and you to the any such type of letter, and you press the any such type of letter, the automatically write down to the computer system. So this is the keyboard, and this keyboard is also called to the input devices. So my dear student, I hope every student clear this topic. I write down to the keyboard. First of all, what is the keyboard? What is the keyboard? A computer keyboard is the which type of input devices? A computer keyboard is an input devices. I hope every student clear input devices. I write down to the every side. My dear student, this is the keyboard. How many key available in this keyboard? There are the standard keyboard 104 key available. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 46, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 99, 100. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are the 104 key available in this the keyboard, the standard keyboard. I write down to the this. So what is the keyboard? A computer keyboard is an input device that allow which type of allow? That allow a person to enter text letter. These texts are related to letter, word, numbers, letters, words, numbers, and other symbol. Which type of symbols? This symbol is the space bar. This symbol is the numlock key. A special other symbol. These symbol are related to numlock, and they are related to here that is called character in a keyboard. character in a keyboard. I hope every student understand the keyboard enter text. This text are related to letter, word, numbers, and the other symbol. Other symbol. Which type of symbols? You use to the space bar, use to the numlock, use to the delete button. There are so many such type of function in the keyboard. It's called this other symbol is also called to the character in a keyboard. Again, what are the use of the keyboard? Using a keyboard, using a keyboard, which type of use to the keyboard? Using the keyboard to enter lot of data is called typing. Anybody say what is the typing? The lot of data is entered to the computer. This is called to the typing. My dear student, then the types of keyboard. There are three types of keyboard. First type, alphabetic key. First type, alphabet key. Second type, number key. And the third type, a special key. Alphabetical key. Alphabet key means A to Z. Number key 0 to 9, and a special key. This all type of the special key. This is the keyboard. This is the space button. This is the caps lock. This is the shift key. This is the control button. This is the alt button. These all type of related to the special key. So these special key are related to like a space bar, caps, enter. These all type of the special key. My dear student, what is the alphabetic key? What is the alphabetic key? My dear student, this is the answer. Alphabet key is also known as quadric key. Alphabet key is also known as quadric key. It was invented in 1873. Anybody asked the question, what is the alphabetical key? So alphabetical key is also known as the quadric key. Why this keyboard is called to the quadric key? The first 5 letters QWERTY. These all 6 letters are known as the quadric key. And this keyboard invented by the 1873. There are 26 alphabet key in keyboard. In keyboard. How many key available in the alphabet key? The 26 alphabetical key available in the keyboard. And but there are not. But there are not. This is the alphabetical key. The all our student Q, W, E, but these all alphabetical key are not arranged in the alphabetical order. But there are not arranged in alphabetical order. This is the alphabet key. I hope every student understand. What is the number key? Number key. This is the number key. These all 0 to 9. This is the right side. Number key. What is the number key? The number key available. The number key available. The number key available on the right side. On the right side of keyboard. The number key available on the, there are 10 number key. There are 10 numbers key available on the keyboard. Available on the, I hope every student clear. And the last point, a special key. A special key, again, a space bar, caps, enter, this is the enter, this is the shift key, this is the enter key, this is the backspace, this is the delete. In all our key are related to the special key. There are many special key. There are many special key available on the keyboard. Available on the, today I discuss one special key, a space bar. What is the use of a space bar? I again sort out the diagram. This is the space bar. What is the use of the space bar? The longest key on the keyboard on the keyboard which gives balance a space between the two words. This is the keyboard. I personally request to every student and every parents. My dear student, every teacher make the video. This is a very not easy task. I again repeat, this is a not easy task. Every parents and every student, you just think out live classes and the video classes. There are so many such type of difference. One mistake in video classes, There are so many complaint available in my school, and the live classes, one and the two mistake are are available in this classroom, but they have to the forget, because the next time the teacher go to the class and those mistakes have to accept and then apply to the correct sentence. But this video session class is a very difficult process. So my dear student and my requested parents, please be cooperate my schools and our schools, because my school is a very good job with the student. But why the so many student not study, not watch the video? So please I again request, please must watch the video, every subject. Thank you so much.